Hey, and welcome back to the channel. A quick update here since releasing the GoPro new remote review about 5 hours ago. A viewer left a comment in the last video that another YouTuber showed how to power on and power off the camera. So credit goes to that viewer as well as the YouTuber whose channel name is Travel with Family. In that video, the user has a GoPro 9, so I wanted to test with my GoPro 8 and see the results. Sure enough, pressing and holding the mode button will both turn on and turn off my GoPro. This is not very intuitive, but after seeing the function, it makes a little bit more sense why on the new remote, the button is separated. This allows you to turn off and on the GoPro individually from the remote and vice versa, whereas the old smart remote, there's a single button for both power and mode. That said, similar to the last video, let's take the power on and off function through a speed test. All right, for the speed test, I'm going to be pushing buttons on the remote at the 5-second mark. So here we're going to test powering on the remote. All right, it's booting up. And we're powered on at about 13 seconds. So take 5 away from that, we're looking at about a 10-second boot up time. Okay, restarting the timer here, and now we're going to hold the mode button, and we're going to try to power on the GoPro. So I'm holding it down, I'm not releasing it. Still haven't seen the LED blink. Oh, there we go. All right, now we have connectivity. And now the camera's powered on at about 23 seconds. So take 5 away from that. We're looking at about a 15 to 17 second power on time. So we'll restart that here. Now at the 5-second mark, we're gonna again hold the mode button and power down the camera. And there we go. So much faster there. The response came in at about 2 to 3 seconds, and then full power down took about 5 seconds. Now we'll restart one more test. And at the 5-second mark, we're going to push the power button on the remote and shut it down. Or we're going to have a misclick here, so we're going to restart that timer. Yeah, they're roughly, I would say, 4 to 5 seconds. And that will do it for this video. Again, just an update to the power on, power off function on the new GoPro remote, and we confirm that functionality is good and supported. If you want a more in-depth review of the new GoPro remote, check out my previous video in the description and pinned comments. That video is a full unboxing, review, and comparison. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.